Welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing to the channel. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you. So today's video is about the best plant for erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. This plant is popularly known as stonebreaker plant or seed under the leaf. It is called seed under the leaf because it has a lot of seeds under the leaf or a lot of stones under the leaves. So how to identify this plant is that once you see the plant, you check for the seed. If it has seeds under the leaves or on top of the leaves, that is the stonebreaker plant or Chanca Piedra. That is it. That is how to identify it. It grows everywhere. It is very common. So if you're having issues with weak erection and erectile dysfunction, what you are going to do is to get this stonebreaker plant or Chanca Piedra, uproot it with the roots and wash it very, very well. If you're someone that takes alcohol, you are going to soak this plant, soak with the roots, everything, soak the plant and leave it for like 24 hours. Then you start taking it. You'll be taking one shot. Then if you don't take alcohol, or you're not the fans of alcohol, what you are going to do is to get this plant, then soak it in water, soak it in warm water, then you start drinking it. It is very, very good. Or you can boil it, uproot everything together, wash it, you boil it. After boiling it, you strain it. After that, you take your tea. It will help with weak erection, and you also be able to have a strong erection after taking this plant. It is very good for weak erection and erectile dysfunction. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.